Winchester lever action shotguns. We have two here. We have an original 1887 and 12 gauge. Then we have an original 1901 in 10 gauge. And then we have a Chinese copy of Norinco in 12 gauge, set up for cowboy action shooting. I love these old lever shotguns. They're probably some of my favorite shotguns to come out of the 18th and 19th century. If you like this kind of content, I'm going to be out here shooting these today. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, and look for the videos. Thank y'all for watching.